234 Media Bio.
So we'll learn about colonoscopy, and I think you should watch Introduction to Medical Imaging video first, before going ahead with this. Colonoscopy is a medical imaging technique that is used to detect changes or abnormalities in the large intestine, also known as colon, and the rectum. It is mainly used to observe the lower portion of the gastrointestinal tract. William I. Wolfe, 1917 to 2011. He was an American scientist who invented colonoscopy in 1960. So why colonoscopy is done? To check for possible causes of abdominal pain, rectal bleeding, chronic constipation, chronic diarrhea, and other intestinal problems, to check for colon cancer, and to remove any unwanted mass in the colon. So how colonoscopy is done? You need to follow a special diet a day before the test. Most of the time solid foods are limited, and liquids are preferred. You need to keep your large intestine well cleaned before the test. That's why a laxative will be given to you. Laxatives are substances that either loosen stool or stimulate an efficient bowel movement. During the test you will be given a sedative, so that you may not feel the pain. Now, a thin long tube, hooked up with a camera, will be inserted through the anus, deep into the large intestine. This tube is known as colonoscopy tube. The doctor can also insert some air in the colon, to enable smooth movement of the colonoscopy tube. And this picture shows everything. That's the anus in the butt. Of course this is the computer which displays the pictures and video, and this is the colonoscopy tube, which is inserted into the anus, and the other end is connected to the computer. Here's an actual colonoscopy tube. This is the end which goes in the anus, this end is connected to the computer, and this is the controlling handle. See the picture carefully. The colonoscopy tube is about 120 to 150 centimeters in length, and 1 centimeter in diameter. Colonoscopy tubes can also collect samples from the colon, for testing purposes. That's inside your colon. This is the kind of picture which will be displayed by the computer by the colonoscopy tube. And as the tube moves further, the entire video will be recorded. The entire scan may take about 30 to 50 minutes. Normal documents are presented as a result of the scan. After the scan you might need someone to take you home, because the effect of sedative might last for hours. So what are the side effects of colonoscopy? Well, there can be a little tear in the colon wall, but this side effect is negligible, and so colonoscopy is completely safe. Colonoscopy is safe for pregnant women too. So thanks a million for watching the video, and you can comment down below your feedbacks. Introduction to Medical Imaging is at the top of the playlist, which is strongly recommended for watching, and all the medical imaging techniques are available in this playlist. Please do watch them too. Finally, please subscribe to the channel 1234 Media Bio, to gain more knowledge.